Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go through the process and show you how to create a new account for the centralized platform. This is where you'll be able to access the Switch Trade Wallet and the Switch Reward Card once it's available. Okay, now my account is created, so I can go ahead and log into my account. And I'm going to get a code sent to my email, so I'm going to put that in here to verify. And then once you're in your account, you'll be taken to this Get Started tab. And on here, we'll click Get Started next to the trade platform. Now we can go through the application process here on this Trade Wallet tab. Now it's asking for an upload of a proof of address document. A valid proof of address includes a utility bill, lease agreement, bank statement, any statement that comes regularly to your physical address and is issued within the last 60 days showing your legal name and residential address. So it does have to have a date on there with the last 60 days. The file type can be a JPEG, a JPG, or a PNG. This page is asking about your employment and income details. So you will put the company that you work for, your occupation and job title, and then some details about your source of income. And this is just an estimate, so give your best guess on these net worth and annual gross incomes. This section lets you put in any other banks that you use externally. You can put them in this section using a comma in between, but it is not required.
Here you will select your digital assets experience. This will autofill the sections below. Edit these values for your specific needs.
Then this last page will have you review your information and verify that you've entered everything correctly. At the bottom, you will select that you are compliant with tax requirements and that you are not involved in any criminal activities and that the information that you provided is accurate to the best of your knowledge. And then the last step here is to start the verification process. You'll need your government issued ID, a passport, driver's license, and then a device with a camera for photo verification. Usually your mobile device does work best for this. Good lighting for clear photos, and a couple minutes to complete the process. So you'll need your government issued document, a well-lit surface, and be ready to take a selfie. And you can go through the process on your computer. You can also click this button below that says use mobile phone. If you click that, it will give you a QR code to scan and complete, or you can send the link via email. One important thing that we like to know about this verification process is there cannot be any other faces in the background of your verification. So make sure that you are alone or have no one in the background while you're taking that facial scan. If you have a hat or glasses, please remove those for the selfie section to be able to view your whole face. Once you've completed that, you can come back here to the switch screen and say that you've completed the verification and your application has been submitted. We will reach out to you from our support email if anything additional is needed, and you'll also receive an email once your account is open. Thank you.